Hold on, I'm about to fix North Korean United States relations. Hello?
Who is this?
핍킨피파?
Pipkin Pepper? What kind of name is that?
You know what? I hope my country nukes yours.
You wouldn't dare.
I fucking well, I'm gonna go talk to Donald Trump right fucking now.
No. Wait. Don't.
You have to ask nicely.
No. I'm the supreme leader of North Korea. I do not have to ask nicely.
No, you have to ask nicely because you are mean to me, and if you don't ask nicely, I'm gonna call Trump and he's gonna nuke you.
Você está falando sério? Você acha que eu tenho medo de cara rico que está ocupado jogando golfe?
I don't speak Korean.
Not wanting to
Chat, why
reveal
does it
too
always come
much.
back to Portuguese?
Not-
I'm hanging up now. Take a break from our warlord tour of conquest pictured here. The Generalissimo resting at Pilsan Havaichi Beach in South Korea. Locals unsure why a pink rabbit is trying to speak with them in broken Japanese. 안녕하세요. That's all I know.
Cookie! Cookie! It's a pink rabbit! Oh my god! It's Peppa! It's a pink rabbit!